Hi, this is Amit from Relanote. Today I'm going to show you how you can share notes and notebooks privately, publicly, or see what has been shared with you or what you've shared with others in the sharing center. Let's get started. So to share a note, let's go to recent note and I'll open a note that I've already shared publicly and I'll show you where it's been shared as well so you can see for yourself. So these are the FAQs. If you go to relanote.com, if you go to the top menu, you'll see these FAQs here. Let me just type in something here so you can see. Testing, sharing publicly. All right. Now we'll go back to the FAQs and you'll be able to see there. So I've said testing, sharing publicly. Let me go ahead and remove that. So to share a note, you click on this icon on the top where it says share on the top right. Click on that and then you toggle this option which says share publicly, and you can choose whether you want to share it with references or without references. References are basically links that are inside this note. So for example, if you go to the home page and then you go to FAQs like I showed you these, you'll see that this link quick start is a link to another note, and I've shared it with references, so now you can see the quick start note by clicking on it. All right, so that's with references. And without references, meaning you basically don't want to share the next linked note or notebook. I've shared it with references here. And then to privately share a note, you type in the email address of someone who you want to share the note with. For example, if I do that, and then this icon is basically with references or without references. All right. I'm going to cancel since I've already publicly shared this. So to publicly share a note, you need to have a pro account. So if you go back, let me go back to our home page. And if you see the plans, here you'll see public sharing of notes. And then you can click on an example of the publicly shared notes, which is this quick start note that we had seen earlier. Which brings me to how to share a notebook. So let me show you where I've shared this. So you can go to notebooks. This is the notebook which I had shared, which had the quick start demo notes. Basically, again, you click on this icon. And as you can see, I've already publicly shared this. So let me copy that link. And I've said with references again. And paste that link here. There. So you can see this entire notebook has been shared. It has all these demo notes. Again, going back to quick start, if you click on any of these notes, any of these links, you'll see the linked note. All right. And then the references are below each note. So I go back to quick start by clicking on the reference. So that's how you share a notebook. And then let me talk about the sharing center. So to go to the sharing center, you click on the left side menu and then choose the sharing center option here. And here you'll see the notes that have been shared by you or with you and the notebooks that you have shared or someone shared with you. All right. So here you can click on one of these links to unshare it or when you don't want to share it anymore, or you can go back to the note here and you can just toggle this option to stop sharing. All right. So that's how you basically share notes, notebooks, and then also see what you shared and what has been shared with you in the sharing center where you can also control the sharing. All right. That's it. Thank you.